Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix a domain is not connected to Hostinger. So to fix a domain that is not connected to Hostinger, follow these steps. Ensure that your domain registered in active, your domain, and then log into your domain registrar's account where you purchase your domain. Update the name servers to point to Hostinger's name servers, and then add domain to the Hostinger. Log into the Hostinger account. Go to the hosting control panel, navigate to the domains, add the website, and then enter your domain name and follow the prompts. And then in the Hostinger control panel, go to the DNS zone editor, verify the DNS record CNAME or etc. are correctly configured. The A record should point to your Hostinger's server's IP address, and then the DNS changes can take up to 24 to 48 hours to propagate, and then clear the DNS cache. For on Windows, open the command prompt and then run ipconfig/flush DNS, and then on Mac OS sudo kill all/hup mdns responder as it spells, and then check with the DNS. Use an online DNS propagation tool to check if your domain is resolved correctly worldwide. If the issue persists, of course, you need to contact Hostinger for further assistance and provide them with the exact details in what you did. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.